Hi guys, welcome to this video. I know that I said that I was going to show you my budgies, and I did promise, so it's been a little while. Yep, you're asking some questions. Why is there two budgies? Yeah, one's my sister's, one's mine. And did you know that budgies are only found in England, in the eastern coast, and they're really cute. And technically, did you know how you can tell if they're boys or girls? You will notice that they've got because the girls have got yellow nose, yes, and the boys have got blue noses. And an interesting fact, females cannot speak, but males, yep, they can. And they are only seen in Australia, so you might want to keep an eye out on them. Okay, you might want to be asking some questions. Yep. Are these stands? And the one sitting down. Are these stands and the one sitting up? And also, guess what? You might be asking if the little perches are made out of wood or are they made of plastic? Actually, so it's real. And yeah, do you want to see the bonding? Oh.